be there in a second.
Okay.
All right.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. Xavier have a ride?
Huh?
Did Xavier have a ride?
Yeah, I think his mom's back in town.
What the hell is he doing?
They just got out there. He's probably talking to the girl he's been talking to.
Were your cookies okay?
Yeah, Xavier had one. I hadn't eaten any yet. I've been saving them.
Well, you got 3 more at the house.
Okay. I got 3 in my bag right now. My stomach's been turning all day, so I ate like 3 slices of pizza and gave the rest to Xavier. For the past couple of days, my stomach's just been fucking hurting.
Like first thing in the morning hurting?
No, like
or just
day.
all day hurting?
All day, I gotta go to the bathroom all the time. And then I get in the bathroom sometimes and I can't move.
That's all the cheese. Are you filming? Dalton. When did Xavier leave?
He just left.
We come outside and our trash can was knocked over and Dalton was like, Mom, I was like, I'll get it.
Yeah, probably by the limbs.
houses the same on the inside?
These 3 are, and then all of those, yes.
There.
The only difference between those
Can
is
we go
we got
inside?
an extra room. They don't.
We gotta go inside.
Those are 1 bedrooms. These are 2.
The bitch.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Oh gosh, I don't want to get my phone wet. Oh god. The windshield wipers are frozen. They're like,
Not all of
why'd you turn the car off?
that one.
Mom,
that
get
one
come
don't have
on.
a floor.
I'm getting wet.
Like
Oh, this is
in
getting
your- all
really
right.
ready. Rainy. Come on.
Dalton,
Chill out.
go.
Ah. Oh my god.
So the floors, they used to have carpet in it, and the carpet was
Is the screen wet?